This is photosynthesis in action, a crucial process for life on Earth that still holds many mysteries. Over the past decade, scientists have been working to capture the most detailed picture to date of Photosystem II, a key protein complex in plants responsible for splitting water and producing the oxygen we breathe. Using LCLS, one of the most powerful X-ray free electron lasers in the world, scientists observe various steps of the photosynthesis cycle at the temperature they happen in nature. They produce ultra-short pulses of X-ray light, short enough to freeze-frame atoms and electrons in motion. Scientists hope to more clearly understand how plants convert light energy into chemical energy. This helps scientists develop artificial systems that mimic photosynthesis, harvesting sunlight and converting carbon dioxide into hydrogen and carbon-based fuels.